never seen one like this before, Angel. Me either, Sprints. What do you suppose is inside? I don't know. Let's see. Glam glitter? Cool! It must be a sparkly friend. Oh, that sounds so awesome, Sprints. Let's open it up and find out. I love new friends. Maybe they can go running with me. Or maybe they like to go and do a theater class with me. Let's find out. Open it up. Come on, come on, come on, Sprinkle Donuts. Hello, hello, my donut friends, and welcome back to Sprinkled Donuts. And that is right, we have one of the new LOL Surprise Glam Glitter. So I'm super excited because these look super adorable. So there's 7 surprises inside, just like the other LOL dolls. So let's open this up and find out who we have inside that's been glitterized. Oh no, no. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, okay. So we have a golden bar, and I'm not sure what that is. Golden child. I wonder who that could be. Okay, and so we have some stickers. Oh, cute. Glamorized. Alright. So look, it's a black ball this time, not like pink or yellow, so that's kind of cool. So let's start with our surprise here. Ooh, it's like a pink glittery water bottle. All right, next surprise in here. Ooh. Black and pink and glittery boots. You have any idea who it is yet? I have no idea. I bet some of you know. Okay, so. Ooh, what a pretty little outfit. It's all glittery. I love it. I love the black surprise balls. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's look at our checklist. So here are all the different ones you can get. And I think these are all Series 2 LOL dolls that have been glitterified. They all look super adorable. Fun. So let's see who we got. Oh, we got Spice. Let's dress her up. I think to open, which I think is her headband, which I almost missed. There we go. Finishing touches. Super adorable. There we go. So we got Spice, and she's from the Opposites Club. And she looks so cool glittered. Look at all that pink glitter, their glittery eyes, and those cool shoes, and that headband. She's adorable. Hello. Hi. What's your name? Spice? Oh my word, look at all that glitter. You're so lucky. Thank you. I wish I had all that glitter. How'd you get it? I don't know, I just came this way. Oh, you're so lucky. I hope I get to be glittered soon. Maybe you will one day. But you have really pretty eyes. They look just like mine. They sure do. Let's be friends. Okay, that sounds great. Okay friends, thank you so much for joining me, and I'm super excited that I got Spice as my first Glam Glitter LOL doll. If you want to see more LOL doll unboxings, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Leave any comments you have down below. Tell me who your favorite Glam Glitter LOL doll is, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!